So, a 20-year-old medical student presents to the clinic with a very painful lesion on her lower lip, as shown in the photograph. She admits that she applied polymyxin ointment to the lesion without improvement. A few months ago, she used the same antibiotic ointment to treat an infected cut on her arm. At the time, she had read in a microbiology book that polymyxin is an antibiotic that disrupts cell membrane. Which of the following is why did the treatment fail at this time? A. Pathogen has no cell membrane. B. Cold sore is non-infective in nature. C. Cold sores are treated by applying heat. D. Pathogen has become resistant. And E. Topical antiviral creams are not effective for cold sores.
Okay, so quick diagnosis of this question. You can see this ulcer over here, painful lesion on the lower lip. Give me a quick diagnosis. What is it? Cold sore. All right. Herpes simplex virus 1. Very good. Okay, so now they are talking about polymyxin. So it's a very, very direct question that polymyxin is used for bacteria, right? And all right, so this is basically caused by viral disease, so we can easily rule it out that it cannot be cleared by a bacterial cream. Like she talked about the history that she had a cut on her arm which was cured with polymyxin, but this cannot be. This is not a bacterial infection. All right, so this is basically cured by acyclovir and valacyclovir, which are prescribed orally, parenterally, or topically. All right. Will anyone like to tell me the mechanism of action of polymyxin, because it is more important compared to what we are discussing right now? So basically, polymyxin, what happens is they form cation polypeptides which attack your cell membrane, attack the bacterial cell membrane, create pores in it, and damage the bacteria. That's all. All right. And there's one more drug which will trouble you with polymyxin, that is called daptomycin. Yes, ion channel creators. So daptomycin and polymyxin have a more or less similar reaction. Yes, I'll repeat it. So you have a drug called polymyxin over here. What polymyxin does is it forms polypeptides which create pores in the cell membrane. All right. This is your cell membrane. It creates pores in the cell membrane. Once it creates the pores, the bacteria loses its structure, loses its protecting cell membrane, and gets destroyed. That's all. All right. And polymyxin is usually used for gram-negative bacteria, and the similar drug daptomycin is used for gram-positive bacteria. All right. Daptomycin also has a somewhat similar reaction to polymyxin, mechanism of action to polymyxin.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.